Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the long-awaited return to form with the Samsung Galaxy A55. As technology enthusiasts, we're excited to explore this latest mid-range phone from Samsung, promising a flagship-like experience without the hefty price tag. And in this video, we'll break down the design, display, camera performance, software, and battery life of the Galaxy A55. Let's find out if this device truly lives up to the hype. The Galaxy A55 is Samsung's latest mid-range offering, promising a premium experience without the flagship price tag. Let's delve into the review to understand its key features and whether it's worth considering. The Galaxy A55 boasts a premium design with a metal frame and Gorilla Glass Victus, plus covering the front and rear. Samsung has done away with plastic entirely, enhancing durability and aesthetics. The flat metal frame, although lacking curves, feels comfortable in hand. The key island feature, while adding a distinct look, might seem unnecessary for some. With a 6.6-inch Super AMOLED display, the A55 offers vibrant colors, wide viewing angles, and HDR10+ support. While the display is excellent overall, the large bezels and slightly conservative auto brightness algorithm are minor drawbacks. Powered by the Exynos 1480 chip with up to 12 GB of RAM, the A55 delivers smooth and snappy performance. Despite occasional UI animation choppiness, it offers a flagship-like experience out of the box. GPU performance sees a significant improvement over its predecessor, thanks to the AMD-powered Sclip's 530 GPU. The A55 features a familiar camera setup, including a 50MP primary camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 5-megapixel macro camera, and a 32-megapixel selfie camera. While the primary camera performs well in most conditions, the ultra-wide and macro cameras show limitations, especially in low light scenarios. The selfie camera, although not upgraded, delivers satisfactory results. Equipped with a 5,000 mAh battery, the A55 offers exceptional battery life, lasting a full day with regular use and up to 2 days with light usage. However, fast charging speeds could be faster, taking around 85 minutes for a full charge. Running on One UI 6.1 based on Android 14, the A55 provides a smooth user experience. While it lacks some flagship features like Galaxy AI, it offers a fully featured One UI experience with promising software optimization. Notably, it supports seamless Android updates for hassle-free software upgrades. The Galaxy A55 impresses with its premium design, smooth performance, excellent battery life, and promising software optimization. Despite some camera limitations and slower charging speeds, it stands as a worthy mid-range option, recommended for those seeking a balance between performance and affordability. Overall, the Galaxy A55 marks a return to form for Samsung's mid-range lineup, offering compelling features at a competitive price point. And there you have it, folks, the Samsung Galaxy A55, a promising contender in the mid-range smartphone market. With its sleek design, impressive display, capable camera system, and reliable performance, it's clear that Samsung is delivering value to its users. If you enjoyed this review and found it helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and updates. Until next time, signing off. The Galaxy S24 series has garnered significant attention globally, breaking pre-order records in many countries. Samsung reported a double-digit increase in pre-orders compared to previous models. Recent data reveals that the sales of the Galaxy S24 series have exceeded those of the Galaxy S23 series since its release. According to a report from Counterpoint Research, global sales of the Galaxy S24 series are 8% higher than those of the Galaxy S23 series. In South Korea, sales of the Galaxy S24 are reportedly 22% higher than its predecessor. Western Europe, including France, Germany, and the UK, saw a 28% increase in sales, driven by robust pre-order demand. In the US, sales of the Galaxy S24 series surpassed those of the Galaxy S23 series by 14%. Notably, the Galaxy S24 Ultra, the most expensive model in the series, accounted for 52% of the total sales. The Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus made up 27% and 21% of the sales, respectively. The Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra are the first Samsung phones to come pre-installed with AI-powered features. These features include real-time language translation during messages and calls, web page and notes summarization, and generative AI-powered image and video editing. The Galaxy S24 Ultra boasts advanced features and materials, including a titanium frame, glare-free Gorilla Glass armor protection, and a powerful camera setup. It features a 200-megapixel primary rear camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera with autofocus, a 10-megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, and a 50-megapixel telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom. The phone can record 8K 30 videos and has a built-in S Pen. Additionally, the Galaxy S24 series comes with One UI 6.1, featuring smoother animations on the home screen. An update to One UI Home version 15.10.1.3 offers improved animations, particularly when opening and closing applications. While users can manually install the update, it's recommended to wait for the official release to avoid potential security risks.